My name is Ankit, and today I'm going to show you the assignment completion that I have provided by the Jarrat Care in Intensala. So I have created this application, chatapp, that give response according to the uh, request of the message of the sender. So here I have created the class for the message request, and for the message response this is the class, and here are the service to send the message uh, with predefined request and response. So I will test this using the postman. So if I send the bye message here, so it will show the goodbye message, and it will also log the message in the console. So here you can see it will logging the message. If we say hi message, so it will say hello message. So this is our application, and you can check out this application in our GitHub as well. I will add the GitHub link in the along with the video. So this is our GitHub where all our commits and our project work will be shown. So yeah, I will show you the repository. So this is our repository and our other work. You can also see that. So I will walk you through the repository that we have created, and this is our repository and the proof. And at the final, I will show you my profile of the GitHub. So this is my GitHub profile. As you can see, you can access via the link, and our contribution, our commits history. Yesterday I have committed in my main major project, in which added the microservices, some feature microservices, and some global exception handler. So yeah, thank you for watching.